What's up, guys? Mew27590 here. Today we have two boxes, plus we have packs. We have Boundaries Crossed, Dragons Exalted, plus we have a Plasma Storm box, and a Dragons Exalted box. So, let's get cracking and let's open up these packs. Hopefully get some good pulls. I would love to see some good stuff. Excuse the quality. I'm doing this on my iPad right now. So we got Rufflet, Wurmple, Drifloon, trying to get a good angle for you guys, Dino, Nosepass, Blend Energy, Swablu, Ninjask. Oh wow, that's nice. A full art Giratina EX. Wow. Wow. And a Siglith as our reverse. That is, wow, that is a really good pull. Yeah, the guy that I went to, he didn't have any booster boxes available, so I had to deal with what I had, the packs. So I just said, whatever, whoever subscribes, you get a code card. First 10 subscribers gets a code card. I'll be doing more stuff like this. Gible, Roselia, Slackoth, Nincada, Apom, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Rescue Scarf, Cascoon, Skiploom. Wow! 2 full art EXs. That is amazing. Wow, and this is the one that I wanted. And Larion is our reverse. Oh, wow. Whew. Wow, that's just crazy. Let's open up our next pack. I bought a few cards off of eBay, but nothing like that. I bought the basic EX Mew off of eBay. Rufflet, Yanma, Nosepass, Trubbish, Larion, Vigoroth, Skiploom. Rare is a Hydra Dragon, and the reverse is Bidoof. I think YouTube's limit's still 10 minutes, so we'll... Oh, man. Oh, well, this one's messed up. Stunky, Roggenrola, Hoppip, Houndour, Mareep, Whalmer, Zoalis. Which one is our... And then Abipom is our rare for this pack. Hoppip, Cubone, Gible, Rufflet, Wurmple, Swablu, Silcoon, Zoalis, and our rare is a Marowak, and our reverse is, oh wow, an Altaria. Nice. Definitely can help with the Garchomp deck. Definitely is a big help. I haven't gotten a chance to make my deck out of the new cards. I mean, I was in the game back when it first came out in 98, 99. And then stopped for a little bit, but now I'm back. Electrike, Dino, Baltoy, Bidoof, Celio, Durant, Vigoroth, Roserade, and Feebas. Excuse that, it's just my phone. Sphere, Drifloon, Murkrow, Yanma, Trubbish, Giant Cape, Celio, Durant. Seismitoad is our rare, and our reverse is a Golett. I don't know if you can make a deck out of the Seismitoad. I don't know if anybody's done it yet, but I mean, let me know. Baltoy, Hoppip, Cubone, Gibble, Rufflet, Palpitoad, Tool Scrapper, Boldore, Garbodor, and oh wow, Garbodor Hollow. I don't know if you can see that. Garbodor Hollow and a Drifloon. Nice. So far, I can't complain about these single packs. We just pulled 2 full art cards in like 3 packs, so I mean. Okay, let's see. Murkrow, Yanma, Abipom, Electrike, Stunky, Floatzel, Boldore, Bibarel, Jumpluff is our rare, and our reverse and Electrike. I'm not gonna lie, I like the new dragon types, but sometimes they could be a little bit challenging to put into a deck. Drifloon, Dino, Nosepass, Gothita, Baltoy, Maractus, Roselia, Flaffy, and another, I think this is a bad, yeah, this is the bad Hydro Dragon, and then a Reversion Mega. So 2 rares. I'm gonna have to cut this video short. I just messed it up. Excuse me, guys. Wilmer, Stunfisk, Gabite, Murkrow, Yanma, Trubbish, Drifloon, Roselia, Cascoon, and Garchomp. Alright, so I'm going to cut this. This is part 1. Be ready for part 2. We're going to finish these up. And then I think part 3 we might be able to finish the Boundaries Cross. We'll see. Alright guys, thank you. Please rate, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to open. I'm going to try to get Plasma Freeze for you guys. I'm just trying to find out how. Thanks guys. Bye.